I'm not really good in Hebrew, but Ima taught me how to learn, and she always correct me in my language because I don't know really good Hebrew. I'm with her. She's not only my boss, but she's only my friend, also my friend, my teacher, my advisor, and especially she is my Ima because my Ima, my mother in the Philippines died also a few years ago, and she told me, I'm your mother here in Israel. So I'm very happy. And now she's gone. You are gone, Ima Raquel, but you are always in my heart. I will always love you, and also the family that they are very, very kind, and they understand me also, and Ima every time they are visiting at home, and Ima knows that I love her so much. So until her last breath, I told her that I will be with her because when she is alive, I promise her really that she told me that I will be with her until the end of her life. So her wish come true, and lately really during that day that happened, in the morning she asked me if what I am going to do when she will be going. So I made a joke to her, and when you are going somewhere or what, so maybe I have to go back to my family also to be with them. So as if I understand that Ima feel that she will be going already during that time, but she is very happy during that day because we are still seeing movie and the television, the English movie, and she is happy. And also the Abby visited us, and she is very happy. And I don't really expect that that day she will be passing. So it hurts me really. It's hard for me to let her go. Hey ma, ani ko ka po. תודה רבה.